Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a fun bun from Wreck-It Ralph 2. So let's get started. To draw this cute bunny, let's first start by drawing the tuft of fur on top of its head. So right here, I'm just going to draw in two little curves. One and another one below it. And then from there, right on this spot right here, we're going to start to curve down for the beginning of the head. So then the other side's just going to be over, coming through on this side. So let's just bring this down more. And we're just basically drawing my usual dumpling shape. So it's a little bit wider on the cheeks. And we're just going to start to slowly build our head. This nice round little head. And keep coming down. And about right there, I'm going to start to connect it. So the bottom is a little bit flatter. There, okay, finally, this little dumpling, right? Okay, so then from there, let's bring this little bunny to life. So towards the bottom area, sit right in the center, about right here, I'm going to draw a little nose. So it's just a little oval. So notice it's just a little bit more further down. And then from there in the center, let's bring a straight line down. And then I'm going to curve it out on both sides. The same thing on this side for our little bunny. And then I'm just going to come in here and cap off the ends. And then to draw the eyes. So I'm going to come into this area right here. And just about right here, I'll start and draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing on the other side. So right here. Okay, so then now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So with Easter coming around, I wanted to draw a bunny for you guys, and so I was looking up bunnies, cute bunnies to draw for you guys, and then this little guy popped up, and he was just so cute, and I almost totally forgot about him, because I did watch Wreck-It Ralph 2, and he just had a little part in it, so I almost forgot about him, but when I saw him, I rewatched the clip and he's just so cute. So hopefully you guys love this little bunny. And then from there, let's come about right here and I'm just going to draw a curve above each eye. And then right above the nose, before I forget, we're going to draw a little curve right above the nose. So about right here, say very lightly, I'm just going to draw a little curve right there. And when you're coloring it, just put some cheeks right here, just the oval pink cheeks right there. And then from there, let's draw the ears. So we're going to come about right here, and I'm just going to go up. Nice long floppy ears all the way up and back down, a little curve and in. And so then for the inside, let's just come about right here, and we're going to follow our outside. And right back. So now to draw the other side. So same thing, about right here. And I'm just going to give myself a point so I know about how thick, just like the other side. And I'm going to go up. And come right back down to my point with a little curve. And once again, same thing. From there, let's start to work on the body. So I'm going to come right here in the center and draw a curve, a shallow curve. And then I'm going to come out a little bit more right here and here. And I'm going to create the handkerchief. So I'm just going to draw in a curve to the center and back up. Then using that as my guide, I'm going to come right here and pop out the shoulders. So right here, curve down on both sides. And then just bring this out a little bit more so I kind of know where I'm working with. Then let's come inside just a little bit and we're going to draw angle line down. So this line separates the body from the arms. And so now that we have that in, let's bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so we know we have to draw a stack of pancakes. So now that this is pretty much level, I'm going to come into this area right here and draw an oval for our pancakes. So I'm going to start to draw the pancake right here. So I'm just creating this oval right through. And then I'm going to bring this in on both sides. So creating our oval. And because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I'm going to start to draw the drizzle first. So I'm just going to come right here and drizzle my way across. But as you notice when I'm drizzling, I'm still kind of remembering that there's a curve right here. So I'm not going straight across. So come on this side if it's a little bit easier. And my center drizzle will be the longest. So just say about right here. Okay, so then from there we can come in here and bring a line down. So if it's easier, you could have drawn the lines down first so you can make sure how long your pancake is. I mean, how tall. So then about right there, I'm going to start to curve it in and connect. There. And then let's come up here and we're going to draw our slab of butter. So I'm just going to round off the corners for butter. And then let's come in here. We're going to draw a bunch of curves. So let's start up here to give our stack of pancakes some details. There. Okay, finally. Okay, so then if you have any space you have left, just finish it off. And then let's see here. Okay, let's draw the hands. So our bunny's hands are going to be, let's put a little thumb about right here. And then let's bring this down and around. Nice and simplified. So same thing over here. A thumb and bring this down and around. There. Okay, and then let's come in this area right here. We're going to draw the plate for our pancake. So we're going to have to draw a curve that comes around on both sides. Draw our oval. And it's going to be very close at the bottom. So about right there. And up. Now finally we can draw the feet. So let's come right here next to the hands and we're going to draw a curve that comes out, round this part off and bring it right back in. And then for some details, come in here with two curves and a little oval shape right here. Let's see, I should make this a little bit more angled. Okay, so then same exact thing over here. So once again, curve right here, not too high, but right there. And about right there, we're going to bring it in. And then for the details inside, same exact thing, two curves right here, and then that oval shape for the pad right here. And one more thing. So in this area right here, we're going to draw another line, a little bit thinner. And then right here for this scarf right here, the handkerchief, we're going to draw two kind of like leaves. And last but not least, of course, I'm going to add a little heart right here. So now it's my Draw So Cute Fun Bun from Wreck-It Ralph 2. So there, hope you love how this cute little bunny turned out with his stack of pancakes, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.